Hey guys, welcome back to Game More. Today we're back with Deadbolt, and apparently I have to re-go through the last mission part. I didn't think we'd have to redo the first part of the mission where we went through the portal, but apparently we do. It's okay. We'll do this. We are so close. We will be warm soon. I refuse to lose this time, guys. I refuse. First time's the charm this time. I lied, first time isn't the charm apparently. Second time's the charm. I'm just gonna beat this time, guys. No ifs, ands, or buttercups. My chair's really broken, if anyone wants to know. I don't know how to use the support. How do I use the support? Perfect. About that, guys. It says find information. What am I supposed to do, guys? Should I just jump in the portal or should I go back and look for information? I don't see anything that looks like the information. What the fuck? I have to Q. Son of a bitch. Whatever, here we go. Remeet Mr. Candlelord, man. Home. Sweet home. I love the music in this game. not fear my true form. The figure glows with life. I was not expecting guests, said the figure in a familiar tone. I've spoken to you so long, my home, but I have shared my warmth with you before, as I have for all who roam. Ibzen comes, crackled with the flames. I cannot stop him. I am not the god of death. Perhaps you'll share this coffin grim and dim. Ibzen, he is already here, spoke the flames. He cannot be free. I cannot forgive a man undead. Cannot live with me. Let me see you, friend. I just want to talk. Here we go, guys. I got this. I refuse. There is just no good way to get around that. Fuck! I refuse. It's over, game. Son of a fucking bitch. Take it in the face. Take it in the face. Give me my headhunter. Give me my fucking scythe. I was gonna say, where's my music? That was definitely a headshot, but whatever. Whatever, game. Whatever. I'm not wasting a second bullet on that asshole. I shot you in the face! Fuck off. Fuck off. Won't miss my first shot this time, motherfucker. Yeah, I was plenty close, buddy. And you went the wrong way. God damn it. Buddy! Buddy! Why do you have so many fucking lives? Why can't you be normal and just fucking die? Everyone else just fucking dies. That's a lie. That's a big lie. Those fucking phylactery vampires didn't die. I'm a liar, guys. I'm sorry. I just want to beat this fucking mission. I'm trying so hard. Oh, of course. Oh, of course. Take it in the face. You prick. Don't separate or nothing. Thank you so much. I love that. Why? 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 I know what to do. Nope. I refuse. I was hoping one of you would be dead. No! I was in the vent! What the hell? You... Oh, God damn it! What the hell, game? Take it in the face. Take it in the face. Your fucking buddy with a sledgehammer over there is gonna take it in the face. Your fucking boss is gonna take it in the face. And then everyone else is gonna get shot in the goddamn face! Music, don't stop on me. I need you. It only takes 2 shots. Okay. Think you're clever, buddy? You're not. Ah, you bitches! Why are there so many? I don't care who you're here for. I'm gonna end up raped to death. Did I kill him again? Tell me he's dead. Ah! Ah! I was in the vent. Fuck! Ah! Ah! God damn it! We got a new cutscene though. No, he said he wasn't here for me. Just 2. Fuck. Well, that's not where I want to be, but 1, 2. 1. 1, 2. Mine. Hey, buddy. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ah! Fuck! The hell, bitch! The hell! 1, 2. Headhunter. Cause god fucking damn it. Scythe. Headhunter out. Fuck your day up. Scythe out. Go down. I'm gonna beat him to death with my scythe. 1, 2. 1, 2, you're out. Your chances are over. 1, 2. Fucking chances are... You're dead to me, bitch. You're dead to me. Fuck off, bitch. You ain't shooting me. Well, I wasted 2 whole bullets. Fan-fucking-tastic. Why the hell? That... This game and I officially have a beef. Eat a hairy dick, you fag. Bitch. Oh. I see. I fucking see what you do there, bitch. Wanna know what I do here, buddy? You wanna know what I do here, buddy? Mr. Man with a hammer. One of your asses is dead. Ha ha! Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you. Eat my dick, motherfucker. Eat my fucking dick. Oh, fucking A, I forgot he went there. Shit-eating motherfucker. My options are very fucking limited. Die. Yay! It's so warm. The dredge cleared. All missions cleared in the dredge. Talk to the flames. I fucking did it! About fucking time. If you're telling me to go back up there and kill everything, no, you have worked so hard. I think it's time for a rest. Oh, are you telling? Is he killing me now? That's beautiful. Oh, they're all going out. All the candles are going out. And the flame is going out. That's it, guys! Oh, I gotta shoot him! Fuck. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Eat a dick. Burn. Die. Die. I wonder what happens if I kill them all. There's so many enemies that I'd have forgotten about fighting those skeletons. Looks like the credits are almost... And still, yes, you. Apparently I got quoted in the credits. I wish I had a gun that did this in the game. My life would have been so much fucking easier. Hey! No, no! Shit. Ibsen. 20 minutes, 10 seconds, 10 deaths, 7 kills, 88% accuracy, 56% headshots, rank 5 stars, soul gained 20. Hard mode unlocked, access a new game. I wonder... Another night. I don't know if I'll... Oh shit. Wow! Wow! Hi, buddy. Damn it! That's what I'm supposed to do. I understand. That took a lot of fucking hits. Oh, wonderful. Ha ha ha! What the fuck? That's what I'm supposed to do. I hope. Answer the door, buddy! So it looked like, oh holy shit, there's more of them. And there's a dog already! What the hell? So it just looks like a really hard version of the original. So, there's 2 dogs. Oh, it's only 1, thank God. How in the hell of the fuck in the world am I gonna manage this? Okay. Either way, I beat the game. I don't think I'll play on hard mode because I found the original. Fuck. I found the original to be hard enough as it was. So, shit. God damn it. I had to put it in big picture mode. We can't open the little picture mode. Close that. Go here. Put my hand up here. So, this has been Game Ward, and you've been here with Dylan. We've been playing Deadbolt, and thank you for watching. That is it for Deadbolt, unless you want me to play hard mode, in which case you'll get to see me scream like a little bitch again. But leave that down in the comment section, because I'm kind of sad. I didn't think that would take up the last 10%. I was hoping there's another part of the story, because now I'm out of 2 games. I finished Wolf Among Us and Deadbolt, and those were 2 of the biggest games on the channel, and they were some of my favorites. Either way, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.